Hey everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a Dior wallet on chain that I'm gonna unbox. Well, actually I've already used this piece a lot and I just kind of want to show you what it looks like when I got it. I ordered it online since when I went to the store it wasn't available there. And then I found it online on their dior.com website and I just ordered it and it came in. And then here's the shipping labels if you want to return it back. There you go. So yeah, it came with the receipt and the shipping label. Then here it is. It comes with the dust bag. And it's a chain, it's a wallet on chain. The little chain comes with this little bag that is unwrapped. Let's see. Here it is. It comes with the Dior, the letter D right here. And as you can see, the pattern and the chain is, it's not a shiny one, it's like a, and then you just, it comes with like 2 snaps. The chain is so loud. Let's put it right here. And you can take out the chain to just carry it like a clutch. See, it's like a little, yeah, like a little clutch. And then you snap it, and then you have the Christian Dior logo right there. And it also comes with this tag. I haven't taken it out, like I said. I've used it, but I don't know. I just keep the tag on. Tuck it inside like that. And then it comes with this pocket right here. It's a little flat pocket. And also comes with this little cute wallet. It's like a wallet and the wallet. Oh look, I have money in there. And it comes with the logo right here. Cool, isn't it cool when you just find money in the case slots inside? And then when I got it, it came with the card. And on top of that, it has this little flat pocket as well inside. So I usually just fit like cards in here, my license, whatever. Really hard to close it with the case that I have, and I can't show you that right now because I'm recording with my phone. So there it is. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute if you're not carrying a lot of things, maybe going on a date night, or even like just going to the movies, or you know, going to the mall, a quick errand. Oh, I forgot to show you. It does come with a pocket in the back. I usually don't use this one. I don't know what to put in it. My phone doesn't fit in it, so it's just there. Yep, there it is. This is the wallet on chain. I didn't see a lot of reviews on YouTube before I bought this, so I figured that, you know, why not just review it for you guys, just in case you are thinking of buying the same item. But yeah, here it is.